Today unboxing are on the latest MINI GT release. This will be the second batch for this month. I also did an unboxing video on the very first batch that includes the Land Rover Defender and the JPS Nissan GTR. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. 3 castings in total. We have the Bmw M4 in Sakar Orange, color variant of the Porsche 911 GT2 RS, and also the Nismo S-Tune GTR. And now let's take a closer look at the Bmw M4. Standard packaging box design, just like the rest of the MINI GT. Usual license and authentication sticker on the back, and this casting is a right-hand drive. Wow, very stunning body color in Sakar Orange. That's the exact Sakar Orange on the actual BMW. The details are clean and sharp, such as the signature BMW kidney grille, a very clear badge, and also a very detailed headlights. Very nice finish in high gloss. It makes the Sakar Orange looks very metallic, just like the real thing. Side mirror is in elastic, although you can't tell till you feel it. Very detailed rear. I like the attention that is given to the rear lights. Roof are in carbon fiber, and the whole casting looks stylish and exclusive. Next, the Porsche 911 GT2 RS in racing yellow. Standard box art with authentication sticker, and also it's a right-hand drive. Oh, very nice. This casting never disappoint. Very awesome. I always like Porsche casting in yellow. It's as impressive as the earlier release, but the color is much more striking. Perfect details on the headlights and also the carbon fiber treatment on the hood. Very nice matching wheel sets with the initial RS. There's even a GT2 RS logo type on the door. Very detailed and accurate rear that never disappoint. Nice rear wing with clean carbon fiber treatment. Wheel sets rose extremely well. Very nice paint job. And this is certainly one of the Porsche casting that many collectors need to add to their collection. Next, the Nismo S-Tune Nissan Skyline GTR. Same box design, just like the rest of the packaging. Behind, standard license info with the TSM authentication sticker, and it's also a right-hand drive casting. Wow, this is impressive. I really like how it looks on close-up. I've been waiting for this casting for a long time, and I'm really happy holding it on hand and sharing it with you guys on extreme close-up. Signature Nismo livery and the Nismo initials on the hood. Body color is very accurate in silver. Ultra cool, you can see the Nismo logo on the intercooler. This is one casting that's not to be missed from MINI GT. Signature GTR R32 rear with the debossed Skyline logo and also the realistic plastic insert rear lights. Wheel set rose extremely well, and this casting will definitely garner many attention in diecast photography or even in your display. Another awesome release from MINI GT. Way to go. Stay tuned for more MINI GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye. These awesome Tarmac Works casting are random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting. I will select the 3 lucky subscribers next week.